This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about clamp lid jars, specifically these nostalgic mason jars with clamp lids. And we have two styles to show you. We have our 3-ounce square plastic clamp jar with lid. And we also have our 9-ounce round. It's a glass jar, and you can see it also features that wonderful clamp mechanism and that nice hinged lid. So you have two options for materials. You have the glass jars or the plastic, both of which are high quality materials and all feature a nice rubber seal. See, that one's orange, and on the plastic, it's got a nice clear seal there as well. And that seal is going to help you create a nice airtight seal and really keep your ingredients fresh. So we have the 3-ounce square unit in the plastic, and in the round we have also, in addition to this 9-ounce size, a 2-ounce, 3-ounce, and 5-ounce size as well, giving you lots of great options for the style and size of jars you want. The jars themselves are scratch resistant and also dishwasher safe, which is fantastic for quick cleanup between uses. The small sizes on these are fantastic for serving up things like jams, butter, honey, and syrups with breakfast, or to include in things like gourmet gift baskets. And the larger sizes are great for things like storing spices, dried herbs, and other ingredients or snacks. They're perfect for keeping a nice airtight and moisture tight seal and preventing things like spills and messes while keeping your ingredients fresh. So these are perfect for cafes, coffee shops, bistros, restaurants, caterers, or just at home to help keep your pantry organized.